Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's Tuesday and I thought I'd start with some blind bags. So we got some of the Yummy World sweet and savory ones. And these are the two I got before. So I got the licorice and I got the sundae as well. So we're gonna open them up. So while I'm opening that up, you guys can look. So there's so many cute ones. I really want Ning Noodle. I think the Berry Boba would be cute to get too. But this one's kind of flatter. So here's what we're looking like. Okay. Oh, we got like a, it's like a gummy.
Louis.
Louis. He looks like a, oh, Louis the Lifesaver. That's what it is.
I think it's the pizza.
I have another one. Let's see. Oh, it's the banana split, I think. Is that, what's that one?
Benny the banana split.
Benny the banana split. Look at him. Look how adorable. It's got two bananas. We got Ning Noodle. Oh my god, he is so amazing. He's like the little cup of noodles.
Got some noodles coming out right there. So happy.
Oh, we got a dupe. We got the sundae. It's a sundae, a duplicate. No dupes. No dupes.
Alright, you can open it. I can't open it.
Yay! We got another one that I wanted. The boba. Look how cute. Look how good the pizza is. Hey guys, it is now Friday. I am off for my 3 days and I have been super lazy all morning. So I want to show you guys a couple things I got. It's already well into the afternoon, evening really. It's almost 6. So I got this package from Sephora. I got this box, which was such a good deal. I just could not pass it up. So it was actually on sale for $40, and you get all of these things. And I was thinking about us flying in October and all of the things that I would need, and I thought this would be a really great thing to pick up. Not to mention that you actually get 4 full-size items. So you get the Kat Von D tattoo liner, you get the Seals booster from Lancome, and Anastasia liquid lip, and Huda lashes, all full sizes. Crazy, crazy deal. And then you get all of these minis. And I really wanted to try this YSL primer anyway. And so I've got mini mascaras, I've got a mini setting spray, mini primers, mini powders. So this is going to make packing for my makeup so much easier, and a little champagne pop. So I think I have a lot of things to take with me, so I won't have to worry about packing so many full sizes, because I really don't want to check a bag if I don't have to, because it's just for a few days. So there's that. There was also one of the little play boxes for sale that had a bunch of minis in it. Woo! Now some of these came in this, so in that bag I had a little Sephora collection liner. It came with this little Ulla Henriksen eye cream. These two were 100 Point Perks, the Clinique. The Day Off and the Alginist were 100 Point Perks. The bag also came with the Stila little glitter. It came with a little multi-stick from Bite. And then it actually came with this Grande Lash Serum, which I thought was a really good deal. I actually already had one of these kind of put away waiting to be used, so now I've got 2. And I don't know what portion of a full size this is, but I thought it was still a really good deal to pick up. And then this was actually a sample. So I've got so many little things to take with me. Oh, and Bad Gal Bang was also in there. So I should be really set for travel size things to fly. And then I ordered 2 things from Ulta. I got the Revlon Candid Photo Ready. I hope this color works, but I'm not sure. I got 130. And then I got the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. So let's open it up, the moment of truth, to make sure it did not get damaged or anything. This packaging feels even flimsier than before. Okay, so here we go. It's a little dusty, but it seems alright. It's got a few little spots in there, but she looks pretty. I'm excited to try it out. So it was just $24. Looks pretty. So I'll have to use that really soon. I'm excited to do some kind of like a fall motify kind of look and maybe pop it with a blue or a green. Man, this packaging is really light. I don't know, compared to my other Morphes, like I've never really loved the packaging, to be honest, but this lid seems like really flimsy. But it really doesn't matter. It's all about the shadows. So that's what I got from Sephora and Ulta, and I will talk to you guys. Hey guys, it's still Friday, and I'm making a little progress, although it doesn't really look like it right now. I'm more so in the process of moving stuff. I hung a couple of things over my dresser over there, and then I also moved these drawers over here. So this is just like utility type of storage here, and I'm trying to go through like the lipsticks as I go, but honestly I'm so disorganized. I've got like some things by brands, and then I've got this drawer down here which is just a ton of lips that I've continued to go through, and still just I need to get rid of more, to be honest. So I was looking at some of these little mini ColourPop. Anyway, these couple are like changing colors and separating. I know you can't see it really well, but I'm gonna toss a couple of these. Most of this is just gonna be old stuff that I just truly need to get rid of. This was the Ultra Blotted Lip. I didn't care for these. Let's see, this is a mini satin, and that one still looks new. Most of these I've just gotten honestly when like my order was late or something like that. This is a Ultra Satin. Another satin. I'll keep those because I love that formula. I've got another one, so I'll keep those. I'm going to get rid of this pencil. I've just never liked this color. This is Tulips. I have so many lip pencils. I'll show you. This is where I keep most of my lip pencils here. There's a ton, and I don't use them that often, and I've got some similar colors. So that's going in there. I need to sometime soon go through and swatch my Super Shock shadows and see if I have any dried out ones that I need to get rid of, even though I hope not. I've got some lippy sticks. Honestly, I don't use these as much as I do liquid lips or just regular lipsticks, but I'm going to give those a little bit more time. And I've been looking through here, but honestly, a lot of this is just stuff that I don't have the time to use it all consistently. So I'm going to pull out a couple like minis to take with me on my trip. I had an organizer. Okay, so this little organizer here, if you guys watched Vlogmas last year, then you saw this box was a advent calendar that I opened. But I've got a few Lime Crime. These are super old, and at the time I actually ordered some and they were really, really inconsistent. So some of them were good, some of them weren't, but then there was all that stuff that went down. But I've had these for years, so unfortunately I'm just going to say goodbye to all of them. I feel wasteful, but at the same time, they are old, and I was never that happy with them in the beginning. So I freed up some space in that little organizer, so when I find some lips that I really love, or anything that I really love, I can put in there. And as you can see, it's just, I need to organize. I need to do a lot. Sniffies, what you doing? Sniffles? What you looking at, baby? Sniffles? Hey, love you. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we are going now to this little outlet thing. So I'm gonna go to a couple stores and look around. I'll definitely be taking you guys with us, but that's what we're doing. We're gonna do some shopping. And I'll talk to you later. Okay, trying on some clothes in Marshall's. Got lumberjack chic. Look at this magical creature. Ugh, ignore the clown. This dragon, oh my god. It says inflatable shark eating Norm. Look, it's Ghost. Or Zero. I'm sorry, Zero. Look at Zero. It's a black cat. The store is enormous. What in the hell? How many pinwheels can one store have? 0. You could use a fake plant. You know, it kind of homes up the place. Would you like a fake plant. A black one.
No.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Sunday, and I realize sometimes I just have to laugh at myself and the things that I do, because I swear I've been in here so many hours trying to figure out how I want this room, and I keep like moving, and I don't know. I have cleaned off this entire space. Oh, thanks guys. Hi. Hello. Hello. I've cleaned off this entire space. I wiped it down with a wipe, which is why they're sitting there. These I'm going to wash and just put these away. But I have got a much cleaner space here. Having a little wine, but also staying really nice and hydrated. And I drank my detox tea earlier. This is a mess. I'm watching Tati. This is a mess right here. Because I'm just trying to figure out where things need to go. My desk is situated there. I need to move this. This is where I filmed, which you can see. These are my like organizers that honestly just aren't working. I was trying to go the cheaper route, but dang, I just need something better. I really want to get some very specific organizers for these types of drawers, and I've seen some, but they're just so expensive, and it's hard to know if they're worth it, you know? So I've got some drawers that I'm trying to organize. And over here, I'm liking this more and more. I've got a couple pictures up. It's starting to come together the way that I really want it to. I feel like I want one more small thing right there, but we're going to figure that out. And this is just stuff that I need to put away. This is a wish haul, so we won't look too much at that. And then that bin over there is stuff for my giveaway. I've been intending to do an Instagram giveaway. I have been slacking on Instagram, but I am going to do a giveaway on Instagram as soon as I hit 2,000 followers. So if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me. I'll put it up on the screen. And yeah, I've got stuff in here that I need to film. This is just like random stuff I need to find a place for. It's a work in progress. So that's what's going on. I might show you my progress and what else I've accomplished tonight in the morning, because I hope that in a couple of hours this looks better before I go to bed, which isn't far away because it's already, oh my gosh, it's almost 10 o'clock. So I want to try to get to bed by 11, maybe 12 at the latest, and go work out in the morning. So I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys. I literally woke up like this. I look busted and scary. My lips always look a little swollen in the morning. I can't tell you why. But I am awake now. I do have on a bandeau, like I'm not naked. But I wanted to show you my vanity room real quick because I finally made some like visible progress. Gotten this a lot more cleared off. I just have my water bottle sitting there. I have a few things to put away, but I made a lot of space and I cleaned everything up and it's looking a lot better. I still need to like put my filming stuff away. That table I just used to like sit stuff on, and I'm pretty sure all of those organizers I'm just gonna get rid of because I don't really know what else to do with them. I thought about maybe seeing if I could use some in my kitchen drawers, but I even have organizers in there. And then this is looking better. I've still got a few things here to put away. Find some spots for, but that's what we're looking like. Just a few little bins to put away. I've got my storage over there with like some miscellaneous stuff on top, and then I just need to do something with these pillows and blankets, and that's it. It's looking a lot better. Now it's time to go have some coffee. Where are my kitties? Hi Snippies, I see you. Aminas, you hungry? Oh, gotta refill that food bowl soon. Okay. So guys, it is time for me to have some coffee. I do go into work in a little bit. So it's time for me to wake up and get this vlog ready to go up. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.